Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D model for exercise number 14. Okay, first in here I will change into right view. You can click and you can change into right view. Next I will create line start from this point, so we can move to director. I will set into 10, but first I will use auto mode. You can click this icon, move to director 10. And then move to the top, we can set into 56. To the left here, we can set into 10, and you can press the button to close this line command. The next, I will create circle. Start from this point, you can set radius into 20, and you can move the circle object from this point, and you can move into this point. In here I will create line, start from this point, and you can move to director, we can set into 10. Next you can use a trim command to cut the circle object. And then I will use offset command to offset this arch objects with offset distance 10. You can click this objects and you can click at this point. Now in here I will use orbit command to orbit this sketch, and also you can press F7 to hide cut. We can use press pull to convert this sketch into 3D models. I will click at this point. And you can move into the direction. You can set for distance into 90. Next I will extrude again at this face. You can set into 15. Use move command to move this object start from this point, and I will move into middle point. The next you can move again into this direction. I will set into 15. You can change into top view, and in here I will mirror this object start from middle point. You can mirror to the top here. I will delete this sketch, and now you can use a union command to combine these all objects. This object already combined. I will use a fillet edge command, and in here we can set for radius into 13. Okay, you can click at this edge, also at this points in here, and at this point. You can press enter to apply. And now I will change into front view. This for front view. In here I will create circle. You can set from center point. Okay, and you can click at this point. You can create circle again from center point. And we can set for radius into 6. You can press enter. Next, I will use a mirror command to mirror this object start from middle point to director. You can create line from this point into here. The next, I will create line again from this point to this point, and from this point into here. The next, from this point into this point. Okay. Now you can use a trim command to cut this circle object. We cut again at this point. And you can press enter. Now we can use a mirror command to mirror these objects, these entities, from middle point to the top here. Okay, you can use orbit command. In here we can use press pull command to press pull at this face. Okay, I will use multiple selection. You can click again at this point. The next we can press pull in here with height into 3, and you can press enter. You can change into realistic view or set with edge. So this for set with edge. And then in here we can use a union command to combine. So sorry, this already combined. And I will use a press pull command. We can create hole. We can select at this face, move to this point. Select again at this face and move into this point. So it will be creating hole. We can change again into front view, and now in here I will create circle. You can create from 2 point option. You can click at this point, and you can move to the top with geometry into 30. create a circle again from center point with the radius 7. Okay, now you can use extrusion command to extrude this object into this point. Also, we can extrude again. Sorry, we can copy this object from this point, and I will move into this point. Now you can use press pull command to press pull at this point, this face, move to the top here. Okay, you can press pull again at this face, move to the top. You can see, sorry, here we can undo. I will use extrude command to extrude at this face, move to the top. Okay, we extrude again in here. The next, you can use a union command to combine this all object, and then we can create a circle from this point with 7, also at this point with radius 7, and you can use a press pull command to create hole in this point, also at this point. Okay, now we already create this simple 3D models for exercise number 15 with AutoCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.